Hello children, today we will learn lesson 5, hardware and software, for about class 4. So as we have learned what is hardware and what is software, these two are combined in our computer to work. Without these two we cannot work in our computer. So let us learn what is hardware and what is software. Okay, first hardware. Hardware has two parts: external hardware, internal hardware. So what is external hardware? External hardwares are those things which we can touch with our hand. See, for example, mouse, printer, monitor, keyboard, speaker. Then these are the things which we can touch with our hand. Now again, internal hardware. So internal hardware are those, it is also a hardware, but it is inside the CPU box. See, what are the things we get inside the CPU box? Like RAM, hardware, ROM, CPU case. Okay, these are the things which are inside the CPU box. Okay, these are called internal hardware, these are called external hardware. I think you have understood what are the difference between the external hardware and internal hardware. It is inside, both we can touch with our hand, but this is inside. Internal hardware are inside the CPU box, and this mouse, printer, monitor, keyboard, speaker we can directly touch with our hand. Now we will learn about software. What is software? Software which we cannot touch, but what happens, it has two parts. Software has two parts: system software and application software. System softwares are example like MS Windows, MS Word, Unix, MS DOS, Linux, etc. So thing is that as soon as we open our computer, different persons may have got different softwares. For education purpose we use Windows operating system. In our school we use Windows operating system. If say some are engineers and all, they will use other softwares like a Linux, Unix, like that way. But for our education purpose we use MS Windows. Microsoft, M for micro, S for soft, Microsoft Windows. Okay, now these are all operating system. Under this operating system this application works. Means this operating system helps the application software to work under them. Now application software is what? For simple examples, in your mobile phone many applications are there, like WhatsApp, playing games. As like similar to them, in computer, in application software, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, MS Excel, Paint, Games, etc. All these are application software where we can work, where we can do our work very easily to a particular work. Say if I want to do in Word for typing and all, we will do Microsoft Word. In a PowerPoint, say we have to give some presentation to a meeting, so it is a MS PowerPoint. In Excel, if we want to do some huge calculations, then we will use MS Excel. So Paint for drawing, games, varieties of games you can enjoy in your computer. Like this, many varieties of application softwares are there. So this is the difference between the hardware and software. Hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you.